So this assignment looks pretty good. I've turned on formatting marks here, and I'm going to turn them off, and this looks all lined up. One thing I like to check is to see if there's any spaces instead of tabs, and the reason I check that is that sometimes spaces can mess you up. So if I mess the spacing up over here, see how everything sort of jumps? If we have tabs, like if I go like this on this line, everything stays the same because we have tabs in between everything here and no spaces at the beginning. So I'm going to take out these spaces, and again I turned on formatting marks, that's why I can see the spaces there. I'm going to hit tab, and then I noticed that these didn't line up. So I'm going to put the tabs in, that's what the little arrow means, and I'm going to highlight everything and set this first tab right there. Now I noticed here I've got 2 and here I've got 2, so something's a little bit funny. So let me see if I can take it out. Sometimes you might need 2 tabs to make it look right. So the quick way to do this is to just highlight everything and make sure all the tabs are the way we want them. And here we have a right tab, which is excellent, and another right tab. Those are great for using money, but we have some extra stuff in here, and it's not quite, you know what? I think it's going to be better if we take the first tab out. So, took it out, and then there's just that regular 5 tab in there, so we're going to move this all back over here. And I'm sorry that I'm sort of thinking as I'm going along here, but I want you to see the process is helpful. And then this is lined up under 2016 pretty well, under 2017, and under 2018. I'm going to turn it off. You know, there could be a little more space here, but I'm going to say that's pretty good. And what I want you to note is that there aren't any spacebar spacings. Everything is spaced over with tab. And the reason we want to do that is that it helps formatting as you move along. You might forget that there are spaces in there, and it can mess things up if you accidentally take one out. Try and use tabs. We could also do this, I'm seeing, we can tab over, like that. We can move this tab in a little bit. And then we lost the tab here, so that works that way. We just lost a tab. So if you want more space at the beginning, you can go ahead and do that too and put a tab in there, and it lines everything up. Now this looks a little funny because it's lining up from the right margin. So I don't know why that took me 3 minutes to explain, but there you are.